top. If you know me, you don't know me to stop.
Hey, yo, what is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the top 7 websites that no one knows about where you can make $100 per day, even if you're completely broke. But first, I want to find out how committed you actually are to start making $100 per day. Because if you're truly committed, you're going to watch this video from the very start all the way until the very end. And if you're really serious about doing this, then do me a quick favor right now and tap that like button. Make sure you subscribe to join the strongest family on YouTube to make money online. And leave me a comment down below letting me know if you truly are serious about making this work. And last thing before we get right into the content, I want to make sure you guys don't miss out on the bonuses that we're going to be giving you guys at the end of the video. So make sure you watch till the end because we're going to be revealing some absolutely top secret ways to start making $100 per day at the end of this video. So let's get into it right now. Number 7 is called Peerfly.com. And basically what Peerfly actually allows you to do is what's called a CPA. So most types of affiliate programs, you actually have to get someone to sign up and pay. But what CPAs mean is it literally pays you per action. So what Peerfly allows you to do is sign up and promote companies. For example, like Fiverr. If you get 100 people to sign up for Fiverr through your Peerfly link, you are going to get paid every single time somebody clicks that link. They don't even have to sign up. They don't even have to pay. They literally just have to take an action. Cost per action. So you get paid every time someone clicks a link that you're promoting on Peerfly. And this is a really good way to start making money if you have any type of following or even inviting your friends and family to actually sign up for this stuff because you get paid every single time somebody takes an action and clicks on your link. Number 6 is called Duda.co. And what Duda allows you to do is make a mobile optimized website. So what I like to do with Duda.com is I like to go out and look for businesses that have a terrible looking mobile site, right? Maybe it doesn't fit right in your phone. Maybe things are stretched out. Maybe it doesn't load at all. Maybe it loads too slowly. What Duda.co allows you to actually do is optimize and create mobile websites, even if you have no knowledge of actually how to build websites. So what you can do is find businesses that have terrible looking mobile sites and message them saying that you could build them a much better mobile site and then use Duda.co to actually create that. And the best part about Duda.co is that you literally can start a free trial so you don't have to pay anything up front and you can start to do this and start to make $100 a day doing it. All you have to do is go out and find businesses that don't have a nice looking mobile optimized site and then use Duda.co to make it for them. Number 5, a lot of us have probably heard of, it's Fiverr and Upwork. And what Fiverr and Upwork allow you to do is actually just go out and make money for whatever you're good at. Maybe you speak 2 languages. If you speak English and Spanish, you could make a gig on Fiverr or Upwork saying that you'll do translation services and people will literally pay you to do this, right? And that's the beautiful thing about Fiverr and Upwork. You can do anything that you're good at and you can actually make money doing it. Maybe you're good at graphic design. Maybe you're good at making logos, right? Maybe you're good at making websites or optimizing Shopify stores. It doesn't matter what it is. You can literally get paid for your expertise. All you have to do is sign up for free for Fiverr or Upwork.com and literally you can make a gig or a service offering telling people what you can do. Maybe it's translation. Maybe it's graphic design. It doesn't matter what it is. You can go and look at what's popular and what's already selling. And then if you're good at any of those things or you can learn to be good at any of those things, you can start to actually do it too and you can start to make $100 per day doing it. Number 4 is Canva.com. And what Canva allows you to do is even if you have absolutely no skills, maybe you signed up for Fiverr or Upwork to do graphic design, but you're not actually good at graphic design. What Canva.com allows you to do is actually create beautiful graphic designs even if you have no idea what you're doing, right? I used to use Canva.com to make my own YouTube thumbnails and you could offer to make YouTube thumbnails for people for $5 or $10 each and it might take you, 10 to 20 minutes to actually create the thumbnail, but if you're getting paid $10 each, right, 20 minutes to do one, then that's still $30 per hour. So at Canva.com, if you get good at it, is a very, very easy way to offer graphic design services. Maybe you're making business cards for people. You can literally do anything that requires graphic artistry, which is basically everything on the internet for online businesses now, to create logos, to do any type of thing that a business would be happy to pay for. You can use Canva.com, even if you have 0 graphic design skills, to actually get paid to create graphics for businesses. Website number 3 is called AddFly. And what AddFly allows you to do is get paid every time someone clicks on a link. And you might not get paid a ton every single time someone clicks a link, but it does start to add up. And the best part is it takes literally 0 work. So if you have a blog or you have traffic of any kind, maybe you have a YouTube channel, maybe you can get a lot of your friends and family to click a link. What happens is you shorten any link on the internet, and when someone clicks on that link, they're showed a 5-second ad. And when they're showed that 5-second ad, you get paid. So every time someone clicks on your link that you make in AddFly, you make money. So let's say that you have a cheat sheet or an ebook, or maybe you made like a tutorial on how to get better at Fortnite. The beautiful thing is, if anybody clicks on any link that you actually shorten with AddFly, you get paid every single time with zero additional work. And you might not become a millionaire overnight, but it's a very, very easy way to start generating some additional passive income with zero work. Number 2 is Flippa. And what Flippa.com actually allows you to do is sell anything online. Maybe you have a Shopify store. Maybe you have an Instagram that you've been growing for years. You can literally sell that Instagram or that Shopify store. You can sell a domain name. You can sell anything that you can think of when it comes to the internet on Flippa.com. Or you use Flippa.com to actually go and find a bargain. And what I mean by that is, maybe you see a website that's just designed poorly, and maybe you have graphic artist skills, or maybe you're good at web design. You see that website, you see it's getting a lot of traffic, you see it's getting some sales, and you think that it's undervalued. What you can do is you can go and buy a website for maybe $100. You can put some time into making it look better, right? Making the sales increase, and then you can go and resell that exact same website on Flippa for $1,000, right? So if you're buying something for $60 and selling it for $600, that's a 10 times return, and it happens every single day on Flippa by making ugly looking websites much more beautiful and then adding more traffic, and people start to convert more and you get more sales, right? It's a very, very interesting process, and bargain hunting on Flippa is one of the coolest ways to actually start making money online. And the number one website to make $100 online today with zero money to start is what's called GoDaddy auctions. There are people out there that make thousands and thousands of dollars, and all they do is buy old or expiring domains. You know, maybe it's a short domain, because with so many websites now, if you can buy a domain that has 1 or 2 words, or a domain that somebody's willing to pay for that has a lot of brand value, for example, then people will pay sometimes 10 or even 100 times what you pay if you find the right domain. I've literally seen people buy domain names that expired or people forgot to renew on GoDaddy auctions for $10 and then immediately sell those domains on Flippa.com for $100 or even $500 or $1,000, which is a ridiculous return on investment and a very easy way to make $100 per day online. And in doing this, you basically just become the middleman, right? All you do is just browse the GoDaddy auctions, you look for nice looking domains, and what I like to do personally is I actually browse Flippa and I look at what domain names are selling, and I look for patterns, and I look to see what are people actually paying for, and then I use those same patterns and those same strategies that are already proven to get sales from a domain name perspective on Flippa, right? I look at what's already selling, and then I look at what's available on GoDaddy auctions, and then I buy the things that are similar to what's already selling, right? To try to eliminate the most risk I can and to try to maximize the chances that every purchase that I make is actually going to be a profitable one. And all you have to do is just find one hot domain, and you can literally make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just on that one purchase if you find the right one. All right, guys, so that is 7 different websites to make $100 per day online, even if you're completely broke. So if this was useful to you, I want you to do me a quick favor, because I'm working extremely hard to put out all of this completely free content for you. Share this video with someone that you think it might be helpful for. And if it was helpful to you, make sure that you tap that like button and click that red subscribe button. Turn on the little notification bell so that you can join the notification squad, and leave me a comment down below telling me what your favorite of the 7 different strategies that we talked about today is. And again, guys, never be the 99% of people that don't do anything, right? Be the 1% of people who actually take action on what you've learned today. Most people are just going to close this window and never do a single bit of work, but don't be like that. Be the 1% that actually takes action, guys. And I hope you enjoyed these strategies, and until next time, happy hustling.